Ah, you guys know what time it is. Time to rate some videos. Time to do some reacting. Gun Trails. I'm Jimmy, and of course today I gotta do some reactions, some reviews. Today I'm doing something different. I'm gonna rate some YouTube Shorts videos on self-defense, and hopefully we find some good stuff. Hopefully we because the reason why I'm doing this is because a lot of self-defense techniques and videos, a lot of it cannot be applied to the real world. It might look good when everything's calm and everything is planned, but fast-paced, when you're trying to do these grappling, you're trying to do these strikes and all that stuff, it can be different. So I'm gonna rate the reality of it, and see how it goes. All right, so I have these videos down below right here. So we're gonna run through them. We'll run through a couple of them, and we're gonna rate them from 0 to 10. 10 being like perfect, great stuff. 1 being I wouldn't even try it even in my sleep. So we'll see. Okay. We'll do the first one. So we're gonna do the first one. We're gonna do the first one, and then just move along the line, because I believe these are all self-defense stuff. Yeah, with knives and martial arts and grappling and all that stuff. So let's go.
I grab hold of her. This idea where I'm going to harass her or grab hold of her or manhandle her. If she tries to knee me, it's really hard for her to knee me. Knee me? It's really hard. Knee me? She can't knee me. The reason why she can't knee me is because she's standing on one leg. What she needs to be able to do is get a good stable base. And that goes for grabs as well. She's going to pick her up. Try to literally drag her. You can see, he's giving me a hard time because she's dropping away, so I can drag her, which is drawing attention. It's actually very difficult. This is a.
All right, so I think I'm gonna give this 8 out of 10 because I feel like if it would be a 10 if the guy actually, it doesn't seem like he's really trying. I don't know, but as far as the technique that he's teaching, it does, yeah, it seems legit. It seems like it will work, but I feel like if you really tried, then we can see how far that technique could go. So next one. All right, I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10 because when somebody taps you in the back, they're not gonna go tap and then leave it there, like he's doing. Like they're gonna go tap and then put their hand away. I mean, if you have crazy monk instincts to where every physical touch you react to it in a defense situation, defense way, man, you are a ninja. But as far as the tap and he's grabbing the hand, I mean, I give it a 5 out of 10 because it is easy to grab a hand if you can at least just grab the wrist from the hand. I mean, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna go to the next one.
当被人这样掐着的时候啊，你抬起左臂啊，抬左臂，身体要向左边扭转啊，哎，下压啊，下压，下面转过来啊，扣。来。
Ah. Oh boy. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10 too, because I don't know. There's two movements that you have to be prolific in, and that's what he's doing, the pulling down from the elbow and then going under the arm. You gotta be I mean, I know there's training that comes with this, but you gotta understand from the person who's doing the assault, the dude with his hand on his shoulder, that guy, I mean, he could react to a flight, he could react to what do you call it, the flight response, to where he sees movement, he quickly backs up, and I don't think they'll give that dude enough time to go under his arm. But maybe, I mean, the way his leg is, his right leg is leading the left leg. I mean, that dude might have time to do it. I think. I don't know. What do you think? Yes, I don't know.
当被人这样掐着的时候啊，你抬起左臂啊，抬左臂，身体要向左边扭转啊，来下压啊，下压，站着转过来啊。
I think at that point that guy would push his arm away. He's not gonna leave it there and like I don't know, like the kung fu movies. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that one. Next one. Collar attack. You guys gotta understand that with these defense videos, like the attacker is gonna back up okay, but he's gonna stand and fight. These guys that do these videos, it looks good, right? It looks good, like, oh, that might work, but in the real case scenario, I don't think that's gonna. I don't know, like, it doesn't seem like that. I give that like a 2 out of 10. And I think I mean. What would be better if he actually, in the beginning, let me see again. In the beginning of the video, he actually grabbed the guy's arm, or grabbed his hand. Unless I missed it. Okay, so he has his okay, yeah, see? So he put both hands like free to grab the dude. I think if he would have held his hand, he would have had more control of wrapping his hand around the dude. But I give that like a 2 out of 10. I don't think that would have actually worked in real life. There we go.
Inside and I grab. I don't have to grab anything. I can just cup. So you see he's way bigger than me. It's gonna be hard to load him up, especially if he puts his hips forward. If he puts his hips forward, it's gonna be like he can pick me up and spike me on my head. So instead, here, back leg is gonna step out so I can get a better angle. I keep controlling this arm. You don't have to grab. You can cup as well. Cup or grab the wrist, it's all the same. Step, you see how we're on the same line? Now this leg is gonna go behind him. Now I'm gonna skateboard with my leg and bring him forward with my body.
No.
So here,
Just no. No. I give that a 2 out of 10. The reason why it's a 2 because it just looks cool. That's like some like Steven Seagal movie type stuff, Jean-Claude Van Damme. That ain't gonna work in real life. I feel like that the bigger dude would just the second that dude makes contact with his body, he's just gonna pick him up quick. He won't have time to do all that stuff. Next.
被别人这样抓着你的时候啊，你呢啊，双手向上挑啊，大拇指向自己这边走啊，然后手啊凑过来啊，压。
I'm not even gonna read that one.
Just like that. So someone comes up to the front, grabs your hair, pulls you in, and you notice there's a bend in the elbow. How are you even going to notice that? With training. You're not going to notice it by watching a video one time. So check this out. First thing she's going to do when I grab her hair is she's going to turn sideways, get a perpendicular base. That's super important. She's on her surfboard. Now, the arm goes in the front and back around, freeze, go back. Same thing, in the front and around. Now she locks things up right by my elbow, does what we call a gable grip. Let me show that. Palm, and wrap the fingers, just like that. Once more, here, spins around, gable grip, and lifts to the sky, just like that. She's raising her arms, not her toes, okay? One more time. So I'm pulling, base, circle, connect. In reality, she's not.
Then what? What happens then? If he does that, if she does that, is he gonna be like, oh, sorry, I sorry, and then runs away? Like, no, that ain't gonna happen. What happens after that? What's the next movement after that? Because it's a half-ass movie, I'm gonna give it a half-ass rating, so 5 out of 10. What the hell? That move, no, I didn't want to rate that move, but the first move was pretty cool. Oh, that's the hand on the shoulder. Yeah. Oh god. No. 0 out of 10. No. No. Nah. Well, actually, no. So you know what? No. Let me take that back. Looking at it more and seeing that in a real case, because he's keeping control of the hands and he's moving his body back. I think, I mean, as far as like the dude leaning forward and being dramatic, like being so dramatic, no, I don't think that really happened. But I think I'll give that a 6 out of 10. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a 6 out of 10. I think for a smaller opponent, that would help. That would work. But as far as like a bigger dude, I think you would have to use that side lateral movement instead of just like bringing his hand down, just backing up. You gotta like bring your hand down and tilt your whole body to the side and drag it in order for it to work. And that's one. Hold on, this is the last one we're gonna do. Last video. I can't get over the the punching sound. I'll give that, honestly, I'll give that a 4 out of 10. The reason is, if they, let me see it again. Yeah, I don't think that's too dramatic. I hate when people just like dramatize the effects of the strike. Everybody's God. I mean, I get it. It's cool. It's kung fu martial arts. I get it, but that won't happen in real life. You're not gonna back somebody up from an elbow strike like that. I don't think so. I mean, they might fold, but you're not gonna like take them out of, you're not gonna back up like 10 feet. I don't think that would really happen. So, anyways, it looks like that kind of concludes this video. This is why I say live training is the best training. Go if you want to know self-defense, go to your local jiu-jitsu, even martial arts studio. Obviously work out, gain the strength, learn some combat training. Boxing is good, but these videos, I mean, they'll give you an idea, but like, repetition is a mother of all skills. So you got to keep doing this stuff over and over and over again. But as far as like remembering this stuff on video, muscle memory is better than visual memory, I believe. So that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure you comment. Let me know you guys' thoughts. Let me know if you guys think these videos will actually help, and what videos did you like. But I know a lot of these videos are just there for the camera, and they're not. A lot of these stuff won't work in real life, but a lot will help you out. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss another video like this. I do reaction videos, and I will leave a playlist of these videos, which I did. Until next time, until the next reaction video, make sure you stay safe. It's Jimmy signing out. Peace.